Hey guys, it's Tom from Tractor Tools Direct. Just got done baling the field, and I had a few questions from customers asking about the Ibex TX31 mini round baler with twine wrap and what to expect their first time when they bale and what they should do with the sequence of events. So here I should try to explain that with the baler, you're going to be picking up your windrow. It's going to be filling up the baler with hay. It's going to fill the bale chamber. When the bale chamber's full, the siren's going to go off. And then when the siren goes off, it essentially means that your twine arm has dropped. And I'll go ahead and show you this, and then I'll turn off the siren here too so it's not too loud on us. So if you hear the siren go off, that means stop the tractor. Make sure to keep your PTO shaft on and engaged to allow everything to still operate. And while you're on the tractor, you'll notice that this white pulley right here is going to be spinning. And that means that the twine is being fed into the bale chamber. And what you'll also notice is that your twine arm is going to be raising, and the twine is going to be coming this way. And then when it comes back to the 1 o'clock position, that means the twine has been cut and that you're ready to go ahead and pull your rope here to go ahead and open up the rear tailgate. The bale will be ejected, and you can go ahead and start the process all over again. So I hope this video helps you guys, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one. Hey guys, it's Tom from Tractor Tools Direct. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, check out our Facebook forum, and comment on any topics you'd like for us to cover in the future.